Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. This is BetheBeat. If you didn't already know, and if you didn't already know, that means you're new here, and I just want to say welcome on into the Kinkistry party, the 14 Beats of Love party. And if you're not new here, welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to see you. All right, now that we got that out the way, this is my Kinkistry unit that I just got, and it is the bomb, y'all. Like, Kinkistry mimics 4B, 4A, whatever type of texture you got, they got it, okay? It is a replica of natural textured hair, and it gives, baby, okay? I got people out in the streets thinking that this hair grew out my head, okay? So come over here and get you one of these. But anyway, I had already washed this wig off camera. I bleached the knots off camera, and I did like 4 or 6 big chunky twists after I detangled it and everything with some leave-in conditioner. That's what you see in now. And I was just trying to decide whether I wanted to wear a wig cap or not, because I wasn't trying to do a ball cap, but I ain't like how I can see that band on the wig cap. So I decided to just tint my lace with some foundation and get into it that way, because a closure unit is supposed to be quick and easy, y'all. I ain't got time to be doing a ball cap for a closure unit. This is supposed to be quick and easy and on the go. Really, it can be glueless, but me, since I ain't got no hair to put the combs in, I gotta do a little bit of glue, okay? So I'm gonna use this little hairspray from the beauty supply store to just secure the wig. You can use whatever kind of hairspray you have. I'm just spraying this along the hairline. We're gonna smooth that in and then wrap it up with like a, you know, like the elastic bands that people put around their wigs. And this is going to just keep the closure in place. I don't use lace glue on a closure wig. I just like to use like hairspray because it's just more of a temporary hold. But when I do frontals, I use actual lace glue. But yeah, you just want to spray that along the hairline, get it all nice and in there. And then y'all might hear Ryder in the back, but I'm just gonna blow dry it so it's, you know, nice and sturdy, because we can't have our wigs slipping out in these streets, okay? Because people think this is growing out my head. Like, a man at work yesterday asked me, oh my God, do you ever just pick your hair out all the way? I said, I sure do. And he said, I bet it's beautiful, isn't it? I said, it absolutely is. I do it all the time. And I was lying, because I just got this wig 2 days ago. But he didn't know that, and it wasn't his business no way. He was in lady business, and he needed to go on about his business. But anyway, so I'm just tying the headband on, and sometimes that can be tricky. You got to pin your hair out the way and all of that. Make sure you keep your wig in place. But we're going to get it together, and I'm going to let that set while I do my makeup. So like I said, y'all, do y'all see this? Like, this looks like my mama put some pigtails in my hair as a little girl. Like, this looks like it grew out of my head. Like, if I were to grow my hair all the way out and not cut it for like probably like 6 or 7 years, this is what my hair would look like, y'all. Like, look at that definition. And that just came from leave-in conditioner after I washed it. Now at this point, the wig is not dry at all. It's, well, I would say maybe it's about like 80 to 87% dry at this point. I let it dry overnight in the twist, but it was still really, really wet through the middle. So, well, it was about 20% wet. But you see, the definition is crazy already, and I didn't even do too much. It was just big chunky twists, you know what I'm saying? So imagine when you do smaller defined 2-strand twists, which I actually did, by the way. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it on my Instagram stories. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see all the behind the scenes things. But yeah, so look at this gorgeous texture. It just gives, honey. I will leave the information down below about this wig in the description box. And get into it, baby. Kinkistry is Black owned. Baby, it's Black History Month. We shopping Black owned brands this month and forevermore, okay? But Black owned brand aside, like, it's just quality, okay? It's one thing to support a Black owned brand because they're a Black owned brand, but we were also going to note the fact that it's actually quality products, okay? Girl, there I go trying to be a content creator and be all aesthetic. I'm dropping stuff. But anyway, these hair products actually were sent to me by Kinkistry as well. Their Hydra Luxe line. So I shampooed it with that. I conditioned it with their products. And I had the leave-in conditioner. And baby, the hair was just, it was popping. The curls were popping. It was moisturized. It was shining. It was glistening. Get into the gel. just rubbing it from root to tip like the instructions said, because y'all, I've been bald headed for years. I don't really remember how to take care of natural hair, so I had to read the instructions for real. But see how that comb, well, the brush is just going right through it. Baby, this is like styling your own hair. Now, I first tried Kinkistry years ago with their clip-ins. Absolutely loved them when I actually had hair on my head to clip something into. But now, since I don't have hair, I've been into their units, the closure units, and they give, honey, okay? They have tape-ins. Recently, they just added those to the site, I think, and now they have clip-ins too. They have wefted bundles. Like, they have everything, and they have several different hair textures. So, check out the site. It's going to be linked below. Go ahead and get you some, baby. This is what the girl's been missing, okay? This is what the girl's been missing. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up now so y'all can just watch the video and enjoy. And we're also gonna get into our makeup during this video. So just, you know, kick back, relax, listen to the vibes, get you some snacks and all of that. And I know this is a late upload, girl, but I was in a photo shoot today, okay? I'm a model, period. So just bear with me. But tomorrow's upload should be up a lot earlier.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. WIG shirt with no sleeves. Okay, slaughter gang nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. Chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. Call him new era, he capping. Yeah, them the type of niggas I ain't capping. Oh God. Now book a show, man, my bag can't cash it. 21, the sound dog, I'm taxing. Riding in the coupe and it's a sport. Yeah, my bodyguard look like a horse. Straight up. She gon' set me up like it's a toy. Oh God, to the La Ferrari on the tour. Ride with you, man, when I get bored. Bored. Put my side piece inside a Porsche. A Porsche. One at a time, you to an asshole. I ain't gon' lie, I was just being poor. I put Chanel on my feet, and European model got Chanel on my seats. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums, I'ma turn it to $1 million street. On for real, I made this, so it's $1 million beat. B12, BBS, I fell in love with straight up. Walk in your session, you ain't ripping about nothing. My invoice gon' be $1 million fee. God, hop in a Bentley and slide, and what? Push through my chain and you die. Say what? You know my move, but I'ma turn your shirt red, man. Niggas in your ass, how high? Oh God. Mama got a bin, she smile. 21. Then she got a house, she cried. 21. Nigga to the stand, he lied. Held court in the streets, and they gave his ass lies. I'm getting bigger and bigger. What? Your pockets little than little. 21. Put 100 pounds on your head, now they jumping up and down, playing monkey in the middle. She swallow all my kids, she a bad babysitter. Kim Jong-un in my pants is a missile. Friend of the family, I hit all the sisters. The mama love me, so she hit all my bills straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash out.
So as far as the makeup goes tonight, y'all, we're doing our usual, you know, foundation routine. And we're going to do a little something vibrant on the eyes, but I'm going to just let y'all watch and get into it. But there's nothing too different about the makeup. This video is about the hair, okay? Get your Kinkistry unit before Valentine's Day and forevermore, okay? Period.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that the man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say, I'm not about to pay nobody's way, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck brother that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret everybody's saying, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak on, 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 till the day, until the dawn. And we get freak on, 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 through the night till the early morn. Come on and I will freak on through the night. Freak on, any time of day. Freak on through the night. Freak on, any time of day. Freak on through the night. Freak on, any time of day. Freak on through the night. It's all good for me.
Yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in the bra all see-through. While you count your jewels thinking I'ma cheat you. The only one thing I wanna do is freak you.
Okay, so now that I've removed the band, I just want to go back in with my foundation brush to make sure you don't see that lace. That's how I was fooling people out in these streets. Because what lace poo? Like, this is growing out of my scalp and can't nobody tell me otherwise. I'm not finna hear it, okay? But look at the definition, and the hair was not dry at all at this point. The hair was very wet because I put all that gel in it. But it was giving juicy. It was giving, I don't know, what's the stuff they used to do back in the day? The Jerry curl? It was giving Jerry curl realness, and I was here for it. So I'm just gonna, like, you know, tease it, pull the twist apart, and fluff it out. And we're gonna get into this look, okay?
Everybody's saying, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak on, 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 till the day, until the dawn. And we get freak on, 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 through the night.
Now this is the completed look. The hair looks beautiful. Now me, y'all know me, I don't really like hair in my face like that, so I decided to take kind of like a bang and pull it behind my ears, and I put it like in a little ponytail in the back, so it kind of created a behind the ear effect permanently without me having to continuously put the hair behind my ear. So that's a little trick if you want your hair out of your face long term. You can just put two little bangs in a ponytail in the back. So that's what I did. I learned that trick from Kayla Cake. But that really satisfied me because I really don't like hair in my face. So that gave me just enough of like a little headband type of look. And I loved it. Like, look at it, y'all. It's just so pretty. Anyway, shop Kinkistry. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the rest of the days of 14 Beats of Love if you are not all caught up. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.